started at Hollywood Studios today, but that didn't work out. It was super busy. So we came to Boardwalk and we're gonna spend the day walking around, riding the Skyliner, going and doing resort things like we were gonna do last weekend before my car broke. And we didn't get to do that, so.
Maybe go to Epcot.
And possibly park hop to
Yeehaw
Epcot.
Bob.
But, oh yeah, we're gonna do Yeehaw Bob later. That's fun.
Yeah.
Looks like they're redoing the walkway at the boardwalk, so everything's shut down. Like totally locked. Oh, you can still go on the grass. It's just this area is closed. This is the first time that we've been riding the Skyliner in a long time, right?
It's been a while.
Solid year, maybe?
Yeah.
Since like August or April, yeah.
Amanda,
Yeah?
can we get nice coffee real quick?
Please.
Hey, I am Cornholio.
I am Portfolio.
Nice job. How you doing?
Hello, give me 1 second.
Oh, no problem. Mango iced tea? Mango iced tea. You need a straw? Straws.
Thank you.
Welcome. Do you remember the last time we were here?
Yeah.
Do you remember what happened?
What?
Broke my camera.
Oh yeah, on the sand.
Right somewhere over there. Right after we got.
Thank you.
All right, I'll get you another straw. Sorry about that. I broke my camera in the sand.
That was a sad day.
Yeah.
Good.
Is it good? Can I try it? Really?
Don't bring any cameras today, okay?
Is it good?
That's pretty tasty. All right, what are we doing now?
Let's go walk around the Caribbean.
Michelle is so happy that Disney doesn't have plastic straws, they do wood straws. Makes her very happy.
But then the plastic cups.
Oh, the plastic cup. We reuse them. We keep them for like months.
Oh yeah. True.
Right?
Yeah.
Amanda, this is living.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You shouldn't be standing, you should be laying down
It's
somewhere.
not awkward?
No, it's kind of cool. I'm into it.
Well, Michelle's got the other one.
How you living, Michelle?
Oh, I love it.
This is quite literally exactly what I was doing when I broke my camera last time, so I'm trying to be super careful and not drop, especially this one, into the sand. It's gonna break, but that's okay. Wait, are you coming? You can come lay with me. It's okay. Come on. No, come on the other side. Easy, careful. How's that?
This is not.
The life, right? You have the whole hammock to yourself. I know.
So like, he came over here and he's like, he was about to sit on it, and I'm just like, leave me alone, go back, daddy.
That's okay.
All you need to know.
I think we have to make a decision on what to do next.
I know.
It is looking,
so nice.
it's looking dark and kind of crappy out. I think we might have to go find cover. It's supposed to rain
the
soon.
lobby. The Caribbean Beach lobby is really pretty.
All right, we should do that.
Okay.
All right. We were able to just sit on the beach and chill for a solid hour. It was amazing. What a great day. Quick, the clouds are coming. Run!
Half hour?
We were there for like an hour.
No, we weren't.
Yeah, we were.
Really?
Yeah, we were there for a long time.
Wow, that was so relaxing.
I know. Here?
Found our cover.
And we can watch the rain. If a huge rainstorm happens, I'm super excited about this. I'm gonna go in and get drinks. Do you want to come with me or you want to stay here? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That is the
That's worse than nails on a
most
chalkboard.
horrible noise in the world. We got this. Michelle got coloring paper.
Fun.
And we got drinks coming. Yep. There you go.
Oh wait, I put ice.
I just got the hand.
Ew. You put ice in your wine?
Yeah.
Oh,
I want it to be really cold.
gross.
Color light.
Yes.
And also this one.
Yes. And yellow.
It's all right.
I like her.
It's not bad. I'll take it.
Good cross.
Let's go.
I'm coming. You are not recording.
Nope, I'm not. Alright, the pawns move forward 1 space,
So,
and then I'll teach you where everything else moves, okay?
okay, so
this is kind of like chess, right?
This
Or
is
not chess. Checkers.
No, it's nothing like checkers. It's chess. Okay, look, Miles, look.
Yeah?
You can take that piece, right? Smash it. Knock it over. And take my spot. That's the point. Smash it! Harder! Move it! Get it out of there! There it is! Now take that spot, and now move my bishop over to your side, and take the piece.
It's so heavy.
I know, it's so heavy. There was this crazy torrential downpour threat, but it's amazing out right now. And I'm playing chess with Michelle instead of Miles because the tides have turned and Michelle's playing. What move are you making? Come on! Pick something. This is hands down the best game of chess I've ever played in my life. So fun.
And plus, it's with me.
And plus it's with you. The sky is amazing right now. Look how amazing the sky is.
I know, it's beautiful.
It's unreal.
Yes, right?
Wow, nice move, dude.
What? Why?
That's a good move.
Can you paint?
All right, here we go. Go ahead. That's your move? You took my queen?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Really? Miles, it's down to the wire. I've got 2 pawns and a piece, 3 pawns and a piece. You've got a pawn and a rook. Let's see what happens. You ready? Checkmate. I won. Miles came very close.
Good job being a 7-year-old.
Oh, that makes me feel bad. I don't know. What do you guys think? Like, it's so amazingly beautiful out tonight.
We just keep walking.
Look at the sky. Holy crap.
You want to go to Riviera?
I mean, we could, or we can go to Epcot. What do you think?
No, Epcot.
No Epcot?
I feel like the lines are super long.
Look, all I would want to do at Epcot is Soarin'. So let's look and see what Soarin's at right
Last
now.
time Mommy checked, it was like 45
All right, so
minutes.
Soarin' around the world, it's only 25 minutes right now.
not bad.
I would wait that much. And then we can head over and see Yeehaw Bob. You don't want 25 minutes?
I don't want to go to Epcot.
Okay, then let's not go to Epcot. Now we're going to the Riviera to get a coffee. Hey, what's going on, man? Can I get 2 double espressos and can I get 2 big waters?
The 2 waters?
Yep.
All right, would that be all?
That'll be it. Oh, you guys found a good spot, huh? Oh, here we go.
Oh, that's what they give us?
It's a double espresso. What did you want?
No, I thought it'd be a nice little mug.
Oh, no, it's just a go thing. This is absolutely one of my favorite places to hang out. One of many of my favorite places to hang out. Like every place is my favorite place. But this is one of my favorite. Right? I mean, this is a great place.
Feels like a library. Or maybe Walt Disney's library, the Riviera.
It's almost like a library.
Look at the books. The vintage like Mickey stuff over there. You see the hat and the Mickey and the... It's neat. Love it.
I take it.
Museum.